Image Paodam miyang tabiribasingbo Surbala khurumjari ngasigi maroiba pau pijari. International Women's Day thoramda President Ramnath Kovindna nupi 15 da Nari Shakti Puruskar Englishani 18 khusanakre. Manipur gi mafam kayadasu International Women's Day thoram pangthoknakre. More da laukhaliba coronavirus ki cheshin thorang sing Health Minister na yinthingkre. Loinana Wisdom of Nature have theme da Blossoming Kids Talk thoram pangthokre. Pamuncha khaina pijari ngasi International Women's Day numita President Ramnath Kovindna nupi 15 da Nari Shakti Puruskar Englishing ani 18 khusanakre. New Delhi gi Rashtrapati Bhavan da pangthokiba award sing khusanabagi thoram adu Ministry of Women and Child Development asinbani makoina khunaida afaba ahomba puraknaba hotnariba thabak singbo sakhang biba amadi pukning thawatpa oina award sing adu pibani ngasi award phangkhrabi sing adudi Andhra Pradesh dagi Padala Buji Devi, Bihar dagi Bina Devi, Jammu Masung Kashmir dagi Arifa Jan, Jharkhand dagi Chami Murmu, Ladakh dagi Nilja Wangmo, Maharashtra dagi Rasmi Urdwaresa, Punjab dagi Sardani Man, Uttar Pradesh dagi Kalavati Devi, Tasi Masung Nungsi Malikna, Uttarakhand dagi ni, West Bengal dagi na Kaushiki Chakraborty, Kerala dagi Karthiyayini Amma, Madhya Pradesh dagi Abani Chaturvedi Bihar Darbhanga dagi Vauna Khan amasung Agra dagi Mohana Singhani ngasi leba ki mafam kayada malemi nupi gi numit paksan pangthokpagum state asigi mafam kayada su nupi gi numit paksan pangthokli amjuna sinduna Manipur Press Club ta malemi nupi gi numit pangthokduna nupi pawmising da khudot pot piduna ikai kamnaki Thoramaseda Works amadi IPR Minister T.S. Bishwajit, Education Minister T.S. Pradesham amadi Amjugi President Bijoy Kakching Tabamna Chief Guest of Honor amadi President Oiki. Chief Guest ki warol da Bishwajit na phongdokibada ngasi Manipur da haukiba chahi kayadagi nupi landagi hauraga nupi singna achauba thodang loduna lakli society ama nation ama chaukhatpa haibasigi khal onsi haiba taragadi society aduda lairiba nupi singi chaukhatpagi thak adu olaga chaukhatpa khangba ngami Housing Manipurda nupi journalist sing thorak liba asi nupi chaukhatpagi maikaidagi khumang chauksile haina loba yai police officer oiro DC oiro nupadagi nupina occupy tawre haiba yai masi chaukhatpagi khudamni haigi amaromda all Manipur nupi marukna senduna save constitution save nation haiba thimda International Women's Day ngasi Iravat Bhavan complex ta pangthokre all Manipur nupi marukki president Maisnam Sakhina International Women's Day ga mari lainana wafam kaya phongdorappaga loinana nupigi tonganba budget hapinaba amadi nupi da thokliba crime kaya bu matik chaba jaira pibinaba wafam kaya phongdoraki pangthokiba thoram aduda all Manipur nupigi former President Sorojini Secretary Mema amadi President Sakhishu saruk yaki Malemgi nupigi numit thoram asi Kilnasu Press Club ta pangthokre thoromaduda Kilgi President RK Sanahanbi Kanglamai gi President Lairik Laima UCM BP Ipaki President Oriba KSS Somorendro Akomlup ki President in charge Soraisam Sanjitna President Member Oiki thoromaduda Kilgi President Sanahanbi na phongdokibada lamdam sida nupising na phangliba chething sing miyamna khangnarba ngaktani malemda nupi numit haina pangthoknariba asi sinmisingbu pung 12 thabak subada pung 9 khakta ohengadabani haina ihau horakpada angam athau singna ihau horiba nupi singbu hatokpiba malemgi nupi haina palan pangthokibani malemda nupi singna horiba ihau singdagi iramdam kanglai pakna horiba ihau na heli haiki Block Congress Committee Kakching Office ta International Women's Day 2020 gi thoram Kakching District Mahila Congress Committee na senduna pangthokre thoram du da District President Pokhrambam Baby Devi amadi Kakching Block Mahila Congress ki President Moirang Tempi Sakna preside tawbaga loinana Councillor Singh M Inakhunbi M Memsa amadi M Uma Wabagai Block Mahila Congress ki President Sagol Sem Leimasu Daista Pamki. Tayama Charitable Trust Kakching Manipurna Susinduna International Women's Day Gi Palan Thoram It's for Equal Haiba Themda Trust Asigi Kakching Laingang da Laiba Office Premises ta Pangthokre Thorongge Manung Channa Nupi Kabisingi Saiding Saidina Basu Pangthoki Thoramduda ex-minister Thokjom Tomba Tayama Charitable Trust Kakchingi President Mayang Lambam Yaima Anina Mathangsina Athoba Mithunglen Amadi Thoramapu Oibaga Loinana Councillor Kakching Ward number 7 S Premita Devi Komla Thabi College ki Assistant Professor N Birohini Kakching Higher Secondary School ki Lecturer N Sunita Amadi MMS Genius Academy ki Assistant Teacher ki SS Achawi Devina Akhanaba Mithunglen Sing Oina Sarukyaki Malemgi Mafam Kayada Pangthoknabagum District Administration Thawalna Susinduna Ngasi International Women's Day ki Thoram DC Complex ta Leiba Election Counting Hall the Pangthokre Ngasi ki Thoram aduda Thawal Jilla Parishad ki Adaksha Mistress Hasina Begum Deputy Commissioner Thawal N Bandana Devi Additional Deputy Commissioner Thawal L Radhakanta MCS Amadi Superintendent of Police Thawal Dr. S Ibomcha Singh MPS na Athoba Mithung Singh Oina Sarukyaki Tharonga Mari Lainana District Sigi Oina Angang Singh Amadi Nupi Oibi Singhbu Machi Leiba Chinjak Pijaduna Hakchang Phana Thamnanaba Bharat Sarkarna Paikhalakliba Posan Pakwada Su Athoba Mithung Singh na launch tauki Krishi Vigyan Kendra KVK Thobal Department of Agriculture Manipurna Susinduna Malemgi Nupigi Numit Thoram Ngasi Khangabokta Leiba KVK Thobal gi Conference Hall da Nupi Farmers Kayana Saruk Yaduna Pangthoki It's for Equal Haiba Themda Pangthokiba Thoram aduda Khangabok Part 1 Gram Panchayat ki Pradhan Ningthaujam Ongbi Maladevi KVK Thobal gi SMS N Tomba Singh KVK Thobal gi SMS Home Secretary RK Lembishana Devi amasung KVK Thobal gi Senior Scientist and Head Dr. S Jesmaranina Athoba Mithung Singh Oiki Amadi KVK Thobal gi Farm Manager Dr. W Jiten Singhana Uses of Biopesticide ki Matangda Wangangki Lions Club of Imphal Laimarol Lions Club International District 322D Nasu International Women's Day gi Thoram Khongjom Bazar Community Hall da Multiple One Activity Multiple Project Health for Her Haiba Theme Loinana Pangthokre Thoram aduda Region Chairperson Dr. P Mema District Chairperson Memi Ningombi Lions Club of Imphal Laimarol gi Vice President ki SS Banita Yauna Lions Member Kayana Sarukyaki Lions Club of Thawal Greater Centurion Nasu International Women's Day Thoramga Mari Lainana Lions Member Singna Thawal Bazar da Nupi Kayada Sanitary Pads Sing Yanthokre Ningol Club Hairok Nasu Sinduna International Women's Day gi Thoram Ngasi Hairok Part 3 Samprathong Maning da Leiba Ningol Club Hairok ki Temporary Office ta Pangthokre Thoramaduda Hizam Priyo Kumar President Coalition Against Drugs and Alcohol Kada Manipurna Athoiba Mithung Sophia Khundongbam Secretary General Ningol Club Hairok na Thoramapu Amadi Asakiran Konsam Miss Iowa India 2017 Amadi Ningthaujam Ngangbi Former President Ningol Club Hairok na Akhanaba Mithung Singh Oina Sarukyaki Hayengdagi Hauraga Tha Sagi Taramathoi Fauba Pangthokadariba Holi Kumai Yausang Kumai Hairaga Khangnaba Manipur Governor Nasma Dr. Hebtulana Lamdam Sagi Miyamda Efa Pauzal Pirakli Mahaki Pauzelda Yausang Kumaina Lakpada Locality Khudingmakta Sports Movement ama lakliba sigidamak mahangna penba phongdokli Kumai asina lakpada community khudingmakki marakta nungsi chanaba santi oiba oirasanu hairi
When the crop is ready and the people are celebrating a good crop, this is also one of the occasions Yushank and Holi indicates. So I wish all of you a very happy Holi and a very happy Yushank.
Chief Minister N. Biren Nasu Yausang Kumaina Lakpada Lamdam Sigi Miyamda Nungai Pauzal Pirakpaga Loinana Machugi Kumai Yausang Asida Thabal Chongba Cultural Performance Asina Yausangi important component Amani Haina Phongdokli Kumai Asina Lakpada Works Minister T.H. Bishojit Forest Environment Minister T.H. Syam Kumar Nasu Lamdam Sigi Miyamda Nungai Pauzal Pirakli Ngasi Moreda Manipur Lengaki Health Minister L. Jayanta Kumana Indo-Myanmar Ngamkhaigi Moreda Novel Coronavirus ki Matangda Medical Team Singna Laukhatliba Checksin Thaurangi Fibam Sing Haktengnana Laktuna Yingsinkre ngasigi khongchat aduda Principal Secretary Manipur gi Vulenwang Health Director K Rajo Tengnopal District ki Deputy Commissioner M Rajkumar yauna mari lainaba department ki official kaya gi miyoi sing su saruk yaki ngasigi ahanba yengsinbaduda Health Minister na More Hospital da tungan ba CSO leader sing yauna mifam amasu pangthongtuna hauzik miyamna mi painariba coronavirus asigi matangda chection thorang laukhatnabagi tungan ba ofam kaya amasu khanaki tungda ICP da hangliba medical team singi fibam sing yengbaga loinana isolation ward thamliba mafam sing yengsinki khongchat asiga mari lainana Minister L Jayendra Kumar na pamusinga phungdokhibada coronavirus asigi matangda border thingba haibasi lenga asina ngamdabana chief minister ga tanaduna kari karamba thabak paikhatkani haiba tanaragani amadi hauzik moreda mathau tawriba tungan ba medical staff singna mafam asida mekupna hom singna lainaba haiki amadi medical staff singna handaki matang asida suti lobidana haiki masida karigumba suti loramba taragadi action laukhatlagani amadi hospital asida mathau tawriba doctor amadi nurse yauna atopa medical staff singna mahut sinduna mathau tawbagi matangdasu kari karamba action laukhatkani haiba tanaragani haiki coronavirus ka mari lainana border area singda leiba tungan ba khunsingda miyamda hena mamutana khanghanabagi matangda awareness tawhalagani makha taraduna food safety guidelines makhada fasaina masakhangdaba acha athaki item sing pusalakpa thingnabasu minister haiki Amaromda Tengnopal District ki Deputy Commissioner M Rajkumar ADC More Manikanta SGO More Dinesh Kumar CMO Tengnopal Dr. Lalthari Mar DIO KS Gojen More Police ASP LO Sangboy Gangte atai staff sing food safety gi officer sing amadi More gi tungan ba CSO singi luchinba sing yauna ngasi More gi ADC office ta coronavirus ki matangda kari tawgadage amadi makhataba kari thabak sing paikhatkadagi haibagi matangda kupna khanaki khanaba aduda gate number 1 amasung 2 da doctor na toina chatuna check tawba border da laiba khunsing da chatuna coronavirus ki matangda awareness tawba Myanmar ki immigration da so self declaration form piduna Myanmar gi miyo India changlakpada form adu paihalakba haibana chingba sing khanaki Alliance for Development Alternatives Manipur Management Committee Anganching Eco Park Kakching Trekkers na sinba Yening for New Life na present tawduna Wisdom for Nature haiba theme da blossoming kids talk among asi Kakching District e Kakching Anganching Eco Park ta pangthokre TH Kiran Kumar IAS Director Education AS na thoromapu oina saruk yaduna pangthokiba thoromaduda Valentina Elangbam Brand Ambassador Manipur CM's Green Mission Manipur Ronald Thingbaizam New Horizon Academy Imphal Thokchom Nandita Kakching Public School Kakching Y Sastina Macline Tiny Tots Unique School Imphal L Kritika Maria Montessori Senior Secondary School Imphal Einstein Naurem Patmaratna English School Kakching amasung Yengkhom Sania Martin Grammar English School na Wangangki Thorongge observer sing oina ke H Sundari thabaktagi potharaba Oza Patmaratana English School Y Somojit Civil Judge Senior Division Imphal East Manindra Konsam Editor Sanathong Jiten Principal Kainahal Memorial School amasung RK Janaranjan Film Actor na saruyaki Kakching District ke Kakching Ningthau Lekai da nauna saba Ningthau Lekai Ima Kaithel Kakching ngasi sangakre Ideal Pioneers Club Kakching Ningthau Lekai na mapung oiba thaudang loduna miyamna khaigatnaba senphamna sakhiba Ningthau Lekai Ima Kaithel Kakching gi Kaithel sangabagi thorom aduda Naurem Sanjit Kumar Chairperson Kakching Municipal Council na athudu mithung Naurem Jiten President Ideal Pioneers Club Kakching Ningthau Lekai na thoromapu KSS Jaljit Vice Chairperson Kakching Municipal Council amasung Inakhunbi Councillor Kakching Municipal Council Ward number 8 Anina akhanaba mithung sing oina saruk yaki athoiba mithung oikiba Kakching Municipal Council gi Chairperson na ribbon kaktuna sangaraba matungda Ima Ibel singna ngasidagi potfam phambagi thabaksu hoki ngasi Manipuri Theatre Center Assam Sinduna Silchar gi Gandhi Bhavan da lupa fudongba thoram pangthokre ngasigi thoram aduda Dr. Kunjalal Yendrembam President Manipuri Theatre Center Assam Ningombam Joy Kumar Singh, President Assam Manipuri Sahitya Parishad, Megachandra Kongbam, retired DIPR Imphal IS, Thingom Sahitya Busan Professor, Makhonmani Mongsaba, Film Director Imphal Mathang Sina, Thoromapu Mithunglen Amadi, Mithung Singh Oina, Pampamlang the Ponki. Sarat Thoktom, Jiribamna, Jiribamda Manipuri Theatre Gi, Khongho Amadi Khongchat, Dr. Sagapam Merinana Silsar Barak Tampaki. Manipuri Theatre da nupi artist singi mafam amadi advocate Dhiren Gabravam Tripurana Tripurada Manipuri Theatre gi miyeng ama haiba topic sing asida seminar paper sing pathoki. Ngasi Halakandi district ki manung chana laiba Laisaram khun mamang laikai gi hauna sang Laisaram khul Rajeshwarpur da apokpa marup na senduna numit ni chupna pangthokadaba First Indigenous Mitai Religious Conference Luching Han Ahantara Nithoi Apokpa Marup Nauria Amusana Ichu Firal Chingkhatuna Haudoki Thoromaduda Mayanglambam Ragumani Pautakloi Sanamahi Kiyong Mutum Churamani Convener Sanamahi Lining Luptin Ingwa Mangang Yumnamcha General Secretary Kangla Panthau Humpumari Mitai Lepak Pukrambam Angamba Luchingba Sanamahi Lining Sanglen Sanakol Mitai Lepak Athokpam Chinglemba Mitai Member Lining Thok Sanamahi Temple Board Mitai Lepak Miyoy Singasina Presidium Member Oina Dais Pamki Mi Amagi Mayumbu Mai Thadokpada Chenabasinga Mari Lainaba Authority na Mijing Changbiduna Ahakpada Dipibiu Haina Sisipur District Manung Chana Laiba Dampi Kuldagi Jamkholen Lungdimna ngasi Manipur Press Club ta pangthokpa pangmisingga unabada phongdokre mahakna makhata na phongdokhibada mahaki ginger gi farm amagi lamgi matangda miyoi kharaga nungainadaba khara lainakhi amadi hairiba wafamsing asigi matangda waroisin puraknaba kumbi police station da report tawduna makhata na wari loishanaba honaki adubu ngarang March ki 8 ki numidang pung 8 makhai rom tabada Dampi Khulgi Chip Yauna Miyoi Mangana Aigi Yumda Petrol Haiduna Mai Thadokibani Mai Chakpada Yumgi Malchang Singh Ayamba Loina Mai Natumna Chakre Hiramasigi Matangda Chenariba Miyoi Singi Mathakta Lokhapham Thokpa Thabak Sing Lokhapiu Loinana Imungi Awabada Mating Pangbiu Haina Mahakna Makhataki Coronavirus positive oiraba miyoi nipan nongna fangle makoidugi manungda Kerala dagi manga Ladakh dagi ani aduga amana Tamil Nadu dagi ni Ladakh dagi miyoi adu Iran da chatlubani hairi aduga Tamil Nadu dagi aduna Oman da chatlubani hairi makoi tharaga coronavirus na naba India da miyoi 38 sure 36 na hospital sinda layengli Kerala dagi hanan naramlaba miyoi ahumdi faraduna hospital dagi chathankhre hairi Maragasida ngasi ayuk Iran dagi sample chama supna nipan phangkre sample sing adu All India Institute of Medical Sciences ki laboratory da test tawri Indian Council of Medical Research dagi scientist taruk Iran da laiduna monitoring tawri mafam adu da lab ama sananaba lupa crore 10 gi senfam ama thakre hairi airport sing da yamna checksina screening chathari hojik leba asigi laboratory yangkhaini thoida COVID-19 gi testing tawri sample collection taunanaba ahenba laboratory yangkai tareta viral transport media gi kudong chaba pikre telecom operator singna mobile phone singda awareness sandokli BSNL MTNL Reliance Jio Airtel amasung Vodafone gi apunba subscriber karo chama 13.2 da coronavirus ki matangda awareness message sing sandokli hairi aroibada maroiba pau amhana pijari International Women's Day Thoramda President Ramnath Kovind nupi 15 da Nari Shakti Puruskar Inglisani 18 khusanakre Manipur gi mafam kaya dasu International Women's Day thoram pangthoknakre More da laukhatliba coronavirus ki cheksin thorang sing Health Minister na yinthingkre Loinana Wisdom of Nature haiba themda blossoming kids talk thoram pangthokre Nasigi damakta di Paodam matang sida loijare miyeng tabiri basingbo amukana khurunjare